going on? Another video brought to you by Club Cash Fund, a way you can order your kit in the mailbox and do what I do. On this day, 09/21, pre-recorded video 2025, brought to you by CCF, Club Cash Funds. You request your free kit in the mailbox and you follow the instructions in your kit. That's simple, that easy. This is my access code and a website you can go and access your free kit. Yes, you can access your free kit by you just going to our website and access the code. Put my access code on there and you are good to go. I mean, this is a 2-page flyer. I'm making a video about it. I've been with Club Cash Funds for a long time. I'm an OG with Club Cash Funds on my rest of my business ventures and home-based business websites. There's a 2-page flyer through CCF. Long word, Club Cash Funds. All you do is request your free kit, like it says here, www.myfreecashkit.com. Enter the access code. You will get the same kit I got long time ago. Yeah, whoever's looking for some work, you do what I do. I'm giving you free game. You do what I do, you'll make some money. It's not going to be easy. Repeat myself again, it's not going to be easy. But you gotta have to put in the work to be able to get access to your financial freedom. I know for a fact you all have a bunch of followers on social media. You know people. You know how people follow you. If they like your content, if your family member like your content you did in the past, you have a buyer and a seller. You have a buyer to buy from you because they build relationship with you. They will support you. You already have your following. They're just waiting. What are you promoting? To see if they can add it into their schedule with their busy life. We all have a bunch of followers. Your families are followers. Your friends and families are followers. Your boss is following you at work. We all have the following. You have your list of following. You have leads of following who's following you. All you do is creating content to let your followers know what are you promoting. It's not selling them nothing. It's just telling them, I have a backup plan for you. If your job ain't working out for you, all you do is go to plan B or plan C, plan Z. Your job is obsolete right now. I'll keep repeating that same thing over and over. Your job is not guaranteed. It's part-time status. You can lose your job anytime, anywhere. No questions asked. Even your boss ain't going to tell you the reason why you're getting fired or you're getting laid off. Why wait till you hear that bad news? Yes, indeed. Why wait till you hear that bad news that you get fired or getting laid off? And you're going to be crying like a little puppy dog. That is not my problem. That's your problem. All I'm here for is help others help themselves. To understand, you have to set up a plan B, plan C, plan D, plan Z. You have to have an open communication, open multiple stream of opportunity in your life. Why wait till you get fired or till you start scrambling how I'm going to get money, how I'm going to do this, how I'm going to do that? Why wait till then, till your boss tell you the bad news, we have to lay you off, your job is no longer needed in this position anymore? Yes, indeed. Why wait? Subject line, why wait till the bad news at your job to have your boss tell you your job is getting cut? C-U-T, cut. Your job is getting cut. Why wait on that? That's a big question. Why wait? I'm bringing you a simple way you can gain access to your financial freedom. All you do is request a free kit. Go to this website. as you see here on this flyer, and you are good to go. Yes, indeed, you are good to go. I'm trying to help people to gain access to their financial freedom. We are here for each other. I'm not against you. We are here. I'm here to help you understand there's other ways to understand and make money out here. Again, why wait till your job tell you or your boss tell you we cutting your position? What are you going to do? That's the big question. Why wait till your boss tell you we are cutting your position and our company no longer needed? That's very disrespectful. That's embarrassing. You have car notes, you have insurance, you have your cell phone, you have light bills to pay, gas bill to pay, garbage bill to pay, get your hair done, that's a bill. Get your nails done, that's a bill. You gotta eat every day, that's a bill. Yes, why wait till your boss cut your position under you and you don't have a backup plan? Can somebody tell me that after I'm done with this video? Yes, indeed. Why wait? Alright, I'm coming back with you again with another video. This is a simple way to gain access to your financial freedom. All you do is request your free kit and you'll get your access code like mine, like you see here. Whatever I do, you'll get the same website. Welcome all new members to Club Cash Funds. See you soon. See you in my back office. Thank you.